couple weeks ago, we found the influence line for reaction A of this beam, and a lot of you guys requested the influence line for reaction C. Well, that's what we're going to go over today. Oh yeah, everybody now, before we start solving the problem, make sure that you guys download this cheat sheet that my team and I just created. It is 30 pages long and it covers all the important concepts and equations that you should know before the FE. So make sure that you guys download it and go over the equations and the concepts before you take the exam. Okay guys, so we are given this problem and we need to find the influence line at reaction C. So the first thing I recommend that you guys do is go ahead and watch the video where we found the influence line at A, because that's going to help you solve this problem. So you're going to use the same steps as we did in that problem. And the only difference is that here you're going to have to find the reaction at C with respect to position. Once you determine that, then you can just plug in the positions and find the influence line. So why don't you guys give this problem a try, and I will see you in a little bit. So to find the influence line, the first thing we're going to do here is find the reaction CY with respect to position. And to do that, we're going to use the moment, right? We're going to set up the moment equation and we're going to take the moment at A and equal it to 0. So let's do that. So we're going to have the summation of the moment at A equals to 0, and we're going to assume counterclockwise to be positive. So if we do that, the first thing we're going to have here is 15, which is the moment arm for the reaction at C. So we're going to do 15 times CY, okay? This is going to be positive because we're assuming CY is going up, and then we're also taking the moment counterclockwise to be positive, so they're going in the same direction. That's why this term is positive. Then we're going to have minus the unit load. So it's minus because it's going opposite of our sign convention, and it's going to be 1 times x. X is the moment arm, okay? Now, remember guys that this unit load here is moving along the structure, and that's why we need to find the reaction at C with respect to position. So at the end, what we're going to do is take this position or these distances, plug it in CY, and that's going to help us find the influence line, okay? Now, let's solve for CY. So we're going to equal this equation to 0. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this term to the other side, so it becomes positive. So 1 times x is just going to be x, so we're going to have x, and then we're going to divide it by 15. So this here is going to be our reaction at C. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to come back here every week for free FE problems, study tips, and motivation to help you pass faster. And if you guys want more FE problems, go ahead and comment below FE problems. Now let's plug in these distances in CY. So if we plug in 0 here, we're going to have 0 over 15, that's going to be 0. Now at B, that's 5. So if we plug in 5 over 15, that's going to give us 1 over 3. And if we plug in 15 over 15, that's going to give us 1. So the influence line at reaction C is going to look like this. Now, if we take a look at the multiple choice, the answer is going to be A. Now, if you guys want more problems to practice, make sure to take this free 15-minute quiz here. It has some of the most common FE problems. And once you complete it, then I walk you through a step-by-step solution just like we did in this video. So check it out. And if you're looking for study material that will help you pass faster and earn more, don't forget to check out our courses where we cover everything that you need to pass your FE exam. And before you go, make sure that you guys check out this 90 free FE problem playlist that will help you with your FE preparation. Now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you on the next video. À la prochaine. Oh yeah, everybody now.